Hello, welcome back to another video, my Cat, and today we are back with another crypto video. Ladies and gentlemen, today it's going to be kind of an update, the latest updates with SparkSwap, because you guys already know it's the best channel to reach for the latest and greatest updates of SparkSwap. Okay, things to do that we need to let you guys know and update you, especially with the bridge. Okay, we did say, or they did say around last weekend, which is obviously, this is it, we're in that weekend, I believe, but it will take slightly more time. I think they just want to perfect it. And again, I'm all for it. Push your deadlines further. It's much better to be ready and late than on time but not ready, where some faults, vulnerabilities, you know what I mean, we want them to test it thoroughly, okay? Because at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, we're not going anywhere, okay? Our sparkler is printing. You guys already see, like if I show my sparkler, it's literally printing. It shows you how much I made actually so far. Pretty amazing numbers. I'm quite happy with it. And yeah, it's locked in for 365. There's 365. Yeah, 3650 days. So this is like locked in. I fully believe in Spark. It's one of the best projects to jump in. Non-financial advice, obviously, in Pulsechain and in actually crypto, all over crypto. Yeah. But at the same time, I'm going to say Pulsechain is actually one of the best networks to jump in for investments. I think Pulsechain is going to be the underdog. It is the underdog right now. If you go to CoinMarketCap and you see, what are the top, tokens performing, Pulsechain is not even in the top 20, ladies and gentlemen. I think not even in the top 50. Do you know that shows a lot of room of improvement, which makes me so excited. You know what I mean? I've said this a lot, where us being here right now, where Pulsechain is right now, you just being active on the crypto blockchain and building up your portfolio, you're already doing a good job. Again, there's no financial advice. But without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at the chart. I just want to give you a small update. It's at $0.59. That's pretty normal. It's just sustaining that level since that drop. And I mean, yeah, if I did like kind of a Fibonacci to see what is our next, let's say this is our lowest. What is our next, previous, I would say this is our previous support line, right there. And then, yeah, we're looking at huge numbers, breaking the $2 finally. But obviously, we want to reach that back above that $1 first to feel secure, because obviously right now it's just, it's just bouncing back between the support level and the resistance level. I think, which is pretty fine. Stuff takes time. Let people settle in, and the volume is looking pretty healthy as well. Like, you got those spiking days. That's what you like. So if you wanna, for the liquidity pool and stuff, this is really good. And yeah, guys, without further ado, let's actually go to the Telegram. Okay, there's actually been two big updates that came to SparkSwap in the last few days, and we're going to go over them. And again, you guys can let me know if you want me to make a separate video on those two projects. I would be 100% down. So you can reach out to me in my Telegram DM. Again, my name is Coolite. So yeah, link in the description with my business email and my farmers community group chat, where you guys can join my Telegram group chat and find people like me, or like you, like-minded people who are trying to farm that money, that passive income. That's our whole goal at the end of the day. We're playing crypto like it's a game, but hey, this is actually money we're playing with here. You know what I mean? And yeah, it's all about working smart but not working hard. Okay, but anyways, going back to one of the first updates here, we're delighted to announce the formation of a new partnership between us and a visionary protocol, Lemono, which aims to become the PayPal of crypto. That's pretty huge. The partnership is already proving to be fruitful as well. That's a pun. As well as we will be featured in their browser extension as a promoted post for the next 4 weeks while their pre-sale is running. This exposure will allow us to reach thousands of people in the crypto space as they try out the alpha version of the browser extension. Looking ahead, the browser extension will also offer a cashback service in the form of crypto rewards. If you're interested in learning more about Lemono, please feel free to visit them. And then obviously those are the links in descriptions, which I'll also leave in the link in the description. You can also participate directly. Obviously, they have a pre-sale. And again, if you guys want me to make a full kind of video about Lemono, what they are, and is it worth it, and if I'm jumping on the pre-sale, it sounds pretty interesting. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, it's kind of basically as it is. It's kind of like a if you guys think about the honey, do you remember the honey ads that Mr. Beast was doing, where you make coupons, vouchers and stuff, it finds it for you. But yeah, this is kind of be the same thing with, you know, if you want to think about Amex, the credit card. Sometimes they have cashback offers. So yeah, this could be it. So this is actually a pretty good way to bridge the real world with crypto, because a lot of people, it's still not accessible. Guys, crypto is literally not accessible. If you really think about it, like for us, it's pretty easy. When you think about a normal, you know, a normal guy who's just, you know, working in real life and whatever, and you tell him, okay, buy this token, he's going to be like, oh, it's not on Binance. You know what I mean? If it's not, then oh, I can't really buy it. Because when you tell them, oh no, you have to put on your hot wallet, and then you have to take your hot wallet, convert it to Pulsechain, and then take the Pulsechain and buy it here. They make the slippage, careful, this and that, not the wrong address. You don't want to get hacked, etc. People lose it, and people get you know, intimidated by crypto, and they don't jump in. Okay, so it's all about any project that has to do with, you know, making crypto more accessible. I'm all for. So Lemono, again, sounds like a great project. I might do a video on that soon. The next project, which I have to mute, but is basically, which actually, let's just go back to the yeah, let's go back to the next one. Actually, it was this one. Yep. So that's the next bit partnership that they had. Let's get ready to rumble. We are excited to announce the first outside use case of Spark tokens, including the BattleBets.gg, inspired by SaltyBet. This is an AI fighting platform with all your favorite characters that you can wager on. How does it work? Just like the good old arcade days of battling out with friends, but instead humans playing each other, it's AI generated battles to the death. Imagine SpongeBob via Spider-Man or Peter Griffin via Gandalf. BattleBets will randomly generate a competition between characters over the decades, every 10 minutes, live streamed 24/7. You can then bet on which character you think will win the share prize pool. Spark is exclusive wagering token on the platform. If it wasn't bullish enough, 2% of all wagers go to the burning Spark from the circulating supply. That's pretty good. So it does a buyback and burn. So yeah, influencers, listen up. Invite your community to battle for bragging rights and get 1% commission on wagers. Official tournaments coming soon. This is developed by a trusted third-party team, and we have reviewed the code. We'll be linking directly to our website under a new gaming section. Okay, but please follow, and again, I'll leave the link in the description. Super interesting, actually. Now this is their website. Okay, you have to connect to your wallet, obviously. You know, to keep things safe, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not saying that this website is you know, untrustable or whatever, but you always want to keep it safe and just generate a new wallet, okay, or have a wallet that's not really used in other areas or doesn't have a lot of value, and then you want to connect it to stuff like this. Okay, you know, ideally you would want to have a separate wallet for each like dApp that you're running. Okay, you don't want those risks from each dApp to kind of overlap on other wallets that, you know, potentially you could be holding 10,000 worth or 1,000 worth of other tokens. So you don't want to you know, leak that risk into other wallets. It's kind of simple. But yeah, as you guys can see, look, it's choosing like 2 characters and it tells you tier whatever, Spider-Man vs Len, and you can bet. You have to, then here's your claim. Again, there's actually this, I was speaking with the people on the group chat. This is like kind of bugged. Oh, there you go. You can do the betting, and you can approve it, XYZ, and then you can see the bet history. Doesn't really show anything because it's still buggy. And this is, just so you know, this is running through Twitch. So this is all integrated with, obviously, like through on the website, and then this is the chat for it. And yeah, it's actually really, you know, an interesting concept. I actually really like it. I think SparkSwap honestly is perfect. It's a very strong community, so you might as well use their token for your website. It's a good business idea. Whoever is behind BattleBets Gaming, very smart guy for choosing SparkSwap, because look, even me, I'm making a video on this that gives them more eyes. Same with Lemono, you know what I mean? But guys, I mean, that's kind of it, right? If you want me to make a video on BattleBets in the future, let me know. Aside from that, going back to Spark, super bullish on it. This doesn't faze me, the fact that, you know, there's not real movement. But remember, guys, the volume is still kicking in. So whoever's selling, people are buying. You know, it's just a matter of when are we gonna break that support level, because once every time you hit the support level you make it weaker and weaker. I remember that's how it works, right? But every time you hit the it's every time you hit the resistance level it gets weaker, but every time you test the support level, you make it stronger. So we just need to hit the roof a few more times until we break through. But hey, I'm not rushing, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I know I'm gonna get rich. It's just a matter of time. Okay, but obviously not financial advice. Okay, it's only one of the projects that I'm investing in. Never put all your eggs in one basket. You guys already know, and I hope you already know that piece of non-financial advice. But guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Okay, just so you know, SparkSwap is still printing. I'm making around what, $10 to $15 per day. Really like it. And yeah, like, and the chart is looking pretty healthy. The people in the group chat of SparkSwap are literally active. That's what you like to see. Like, you got partnerships, you got, you know, people creating tokens on top of this. It's really bullish stuff. So I'm very happy to report this. This has been the update of SparkSwap. Again, looking forward to making more videos about this once the bridge comes out. You guys already know. I'm so excited because the bridge has fees. I believe it's like 0 point something percent fees, and it's like 2% of that or something, some small percentage goes to the sparkler. Okay, exclusively to us people, ladies and gentlemen. That's pretty sick. And yeah, finally, I just wanted to say, look, I now have a boom arm, so finally I don't need to hold my mic like a news reporter, even though I did like that. But now it just makes me more efficient with my laptop and stuff. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe to my channel, go follow my Twitter, and you can say hi to me obviously on my Telegram group chat or my DMs if you want me to cover other crypto projects. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video there. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon. Take care.